Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix MarketPlace is not available on your device. So guys, if you are facing this problem that Facebook Marketplace is not available on your device, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to make sure that you have an active internet connection, and then you have to make sure that there's not connected any of the VPN. If there's not connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect it and then tap on General and then tap on Software Update and update your device to the latest version of iOS. Now after updating it, then tap on App Store, and then from here simply tap on Search and search here for Facebook. From here guys, what we need to do is just simply update the Facebook app from here. So guys, first update the Facebook app and then restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are still having this problem, then you have to just simply change your country or region, because Marketplace is not available in some countries or region. So guys, you have to just simply change your country or region, and after that guys, check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply open up the any browser and search for facebook.com, and after that you can use the Marketplace on Facebook browser. So guys, open Facebook on browser and then use Marketplace on browser. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.